Now we're using these seasoned diced potatoes, and we got some andouille sausage. Use whatever sausage you like. You use smoked sausage, you do hot links, all good. Fire roasted green chilies in there. We're going mild. We ain't that spicy around here. Colby Jack cheese going in. Using a whole bag right here. About what the hell we'll do a bag and a half. We'll save the rest of this cheese to top our bowl of baked potato soup. Guys, this is gonna be the easiest one pot crock pot soup you'll ever tried. We're going with 4 cups of chicken stock. Now I'm using my Ninja Possible cooker here, but y'all can use whatever crock pot you have. This just happens to do so many functions that wanted to do it in here. Makes it easier. Then we're gonna go in with a cup of heavy cream. That was a scientific measurement of a cup of heavy cream in there. Just trust me. All right, now let's give it a big old stir. And I'm gonna use a simple barbecue rub here. Guys, if you're not using barbecue rubs to supplement your seasonings in there, you're missing out. This has all those good peppery, garlicky, paprika-y flavors in there. But if you don't have a simple barbecue rub, a little all-purpose barbecue rub, just use a little Lowry's. Everybody got a little Lowry's in their cabinet. We got a handful of green onions going in. Let's get that lid on. We're gonna turn our Possible cooker on high for about an hour. Then we'll come back and check on it. And then we're gonna smush up those potatoes in there. We'll use a little potato smasher. You could also use an immersion blender if you want, but we're gonna get that nice and thick and rich in there. This is gonna be the most hearty, but easiest baked potato soup you'll have ever tried. Trust me on that. I'll see you in a second. It's been about an hour on high. So we're gonna take the lid off right here, set to the side. Give this all a nice mix. So we got a little potato masher. Now this pot can actually handle a metal potato masher here. So you use that. We want to give these potatoes a decent mash, but we still want to have the texture of them in there. So don't go crazy. You want a little bit of potato when you take a bite, and you want it nice and thick too. We're gonna go back on high for another hour. All right, lid back on. We'll see you in a second. Guys, it's been 2 hours total. Take a look at the goodness here. We're gonna give it one quick little mash, just to get a little bit more chunkiness, chunk down. You know what I'm saying? I think you get what I'm saying. So we still have some texture with the potatoes in there, right? Give it a quick stir. But you see how it's nice and thick and rich and luxurious. I like that word. Give me a good adjective down in the comments on how you would describe this amazing soup. And be nice. Look at that. Perfect. This is like the best loaded baked potato soup you've ever had. I got me a ladle here. Got me a bowl. Let's go ahead and serve ourselves up a little bit of the goodness. All right, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Got our bowl full of goodness. Add just a little bit more of that Colby Jack on there. We're going with little green onions. Ooh, looking pretty. All right, y'all, time to get a little bite. You know it's gonna be amazing. You guys feel that? I know I felt it. That's my soul being warmed by this goodness. Those southwestern potatoes make all the difference in the world. That andouille sausage, that beautiful, that great seasoning we use, all that stuff combining together to make this wonderful soup. Hey, you know it's good.